Hi there, what's up? How you doing? Hope all well, hope all great. I'm Justine Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And firstly, cheers. Yeah, to a great cup of English coffee. This is me, Justine Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And it's a midweek. And two topics of discussions are really prevailing everywhere, especially in the circle or people I'm meeting. You go to a park, you go to a, um place of enjoyment, you go to a place with parents and stuff, or you just generally are meeting up or catching up with people at work, off work. People are only talking about the war and more about children's security and stuff when it comes to social media. I think the holidays are going to be starting very soon, so the concern for parents is how will children pass their time and all. Um, so the purpose is not to be sharing on time killing activities for your children. Children are very smart these days and they are such geeks and intelligent people and stuff. But certain rules have taken place looking at the way some of them have been functioning. And there was recently an article in the paper which is talking about how too much of exposure or spending too much of time on social media is actually affecting the brains of children, youth, elders, seniors, and it's actually leading or contributing to aging before time and a lot of stuff. I don't want to talk about the negative here, but I will share it later as an awareness point, maybe at the end of the video or something. But some countries have taken some good, extremely neutral steps where they've banned use of social media for children below 18. And that's a great initiative, I feel, because at various forums like PhD and at uh, with the Ministry of Broadcasting and Information and stuff at the Marwa Studio and other places. It's been a while since I've been there now for such talks and stuff. Decisions have been deliberated over a period of time as to what should be the rules. And then our honorable minister has also stepped in, and it seems that they are taking pretty good, proactive action and stuff. But the latest is the buzzing is social media has been banned in certain countries for excessive use and use. And these are countries like Brazil, China, I think Australia is